A 24/7 connected world. It sounds great, doesn't it? Non-stop access to an unlimited source of information and connecting with your contacts as easy as the click of a button. Or is it? In recent history, many different systems and platforms have been developed to connect via video conference. This has led to a jungle of products, and getting in touch today is not as easy as it should be. Until now. Introducing Ricoh's UCS Advanced, a truly global video collaboration service that will simply connect you wherever you are and whatever device you're using. In today's business, the workplace could simply be anywhere. Therefore, the communication tools available should offer maximum flexibility. And with time often limited, being productive is essential. Through work-style innovation, it is no longer necessary to book dedicated meeting rooms or equipment. You can simply participate in a meeting wherever you are. Most organizations already have conference phones and video endpoints from one or several vendors in traditional meeting rooms. However, today, most PCs and handheld devices can do the same. With this variety of group and personal systems, it's not always possible to communicate with each other. Some video systems are also complex to use, and often IT support is required. That makes it hard for organizations to decide which system to expand, with communication needs that are ever-changing and budgets increasingly under pressure. And when considering cloud services, data security has to be ensured. Ricoh's UCS Advanced bridges all these systems in one flexible service. It offers 24/7 access to personal virtual meeting rooms where up to 30 participants can connect from their preferred system. It's never been easier to invite participants to join your virtual meeting room and share your content. You can also stream the meeting and record it. With a simple license per user subscription, the platform is easily scalable without any upfront investment. And because the service is cloud-based, updates and new functionality can easily be added. All video traffic goes through the firewall according to applicable security standards, with high encryption strength. To make most effective use of the UCS Advanced service, Ricoh also offers the P3500M, a mobile group video conference device, and a range of interactive whiteboards for remote collaboration. With a long track record as a global managed services provider, Ricoh is the ideal partner to plan the implementation step by step. From understanding your requirements to designing and implementing the right solution, but also to keep track of the actual performance of the platform and recommend adjustments where required. Find out how Ricoh can help your organization. Get in touch with your local Ricoh office for a free 30-day trial. Ricoh's UCS Advanced, the only video collaboration platform you will ever need.